Control structures are used to control the flow of execution of your program. Python will execute some set of statements only if the given condition is satisfied, and a different set of statements when it's not satisfied. These are some of Python statements used for decision making. If statements, if-else statements, elif statements, elif ladder. Now let's look on each one in detail. It decides whether certain statements need to be executed or not. If statement checks for a given condition, if the condition is true, then the set of code present inside the if block will be executed. Its syntax is shown below. Let's understand if statement with the help of an example. We are creating two variables a and b, with values 20 and 6 respectively. Now we are using if statement, by giving the condition, if a greater than b with a colon and wrote the code as print a is greater. So in this example, if statement will check for the condition, which is given inside the parenthesis, and if it's true, then the code below will be executed. So here in the output we can see that a is greater, since the condition given to if statement is true. If-else statement. If a given condition is true, then Python will execute the statements present inside if block, and if the condition is false, then execute the else block. You can see the syntax below. Let's understand it clearly with the help of example. In this example, we assigned value 15 to the variable named age. We use if statement to check the condition, and if it's true, the block of code below will be execute. That is, the output will be printed as adult. If this condition is wrong, then else will be executed. When we run the program, it's seen that the output is printed as teenage. This is because we gave the condition if age is greater than 18 print adult. Since this condition becomes false, the else statement got executed and print the output as teenage. You can create your own if-else statement in your Jupyter notebook and look for the output. Elif statement. Elif statement is used to check multiple conditions, only if the given if condition is false. It's similar to an if-else statement, and the only difference is that in else we will not check the condition, but in elif we will do check the condition. Its syntax is shown here. Let's directly move on to the example to understand how to use elif statement. In the example below, we provided value to the variable attendance, 70. Now each statements will be checked. If attendance is more than 90, print a grade. If the statement is false, Python will move on to the next elif statement. Unlike else, here we are giving condition that if the attendance is greater than 80, print the output as B grade. And if this statement becomes false, else will be executed and the output will be no grade. Here it's seen that we got the output as no grade since the first two conditions becomes false. Now you can try it yourself. As the name itself suggests, a program which contains ladder of elif statements, which are structured in the form of a ladder. This statement is used to test multiple expressions. Its syntax is shown below. We can provide with multiple conditions using elif. If the condition becomes true, then that statement will get executed. If the condition is false, it will check the next condition and so on. Let's understand elif ladder with the help of an example. Here in the Jupyter notebook, the mark is equal to 85. Now we are creating our condition statements. So if mark greater than 90, print excellent, and if mark greater than 80, it will print very good. And if mark greater than 70, print good. Else print need improvement. Here we are using multiple elif to make our conditions. The program will check the first if statement. So there it's clear that 85 is not greater than 90. So Python will not execute that if statement. Moving on to the next elif statement. Here 85 is greater than 80. Since the condition is true, Python will execute this command and print the result as very good. Hope you understood about control structures. Now let's move on to looping in Python, and understand different loopings in Python with examples.